everyone. So this is Vitalis from Vita Analytics Consulting. So today, this is what we'll be seeing. We're going to see the select statement with some of these other functions that we have here as well. So that is actually what we'll be seeing. So in our last lesson, we saw how to create a database, how to create a table, and insert values into this table. So let us just start. So let me just say. Okay, let us just say we want to see our staff info table. Select from staff info. So it's going to give us everything that we have inside here. We have 50 rows. So it's going to give us everything. And then when you use this select star, it gives us everything. Let me just say you just want to see maybe uh, just not all the you don't want to see everything that is found inside this table. You just want some specific columns that you want to see. Let's just say like H, right? And so if we execute, if we run this, it's going to, as you can see, as we've seen, is giving us just the column where we have the H of our employees. And let me just see if we can add another one. Let's just say first name, gender, the same thing. So we execute. So we have an error, invalid column name. It's a typo, okay? Typing error. First name. Then we have, let's go with gender as well. Let's execute this. So it has, we have selected three columns. That is why we have age, first name, and gender. So when you want to select maybe just some specific, you want to see specific column, you separate it with a comma. And then if you want to see everything, you will use this star, and then it will give us everything. Okay, let us see. Maybe let's just say we equally want to see. Let's just say we have millions of rows that we are working on, but we just want to see the top 10 or top 20 whatsoever. We can just use top, either 10, and then star. This is going to give us just the 10, right? So this is going to give from 101 to 10. Okay, if you want to see 5, you do the same thing, and then we have the results. Okay, so let us go to distinct. Distinct, normally we use distinct, we want to see unique values, right? Let's just say distinct. uh, so if we use take this distinct staff ID, is going to give us everything, because each of these type ID is unique, right? It is unique. We have 101 right up to 150. Let us just say distinct. Let's go with be something like gender. This should give us just two, because we have two distinct value inside here, that is female and male. Then if we go with first name, it should equally give us everything, unless maybe we have some. Hit enter. Yeah, should give us 50 because we have each of this passenger names unique. We don't have any duplicates. We don't have any duplicates here. Okay, so let us go to the next one, which is count. Oh, let us. When we use the count, it's just like you want to count something, right? We want to see under this first name, we want to count how many, what is the number of what is the count of this first name? Okay, so we just say count, and then first name. Normally, this should return 50 because we have 50 of this. Yes, we have it. Okay, and then so yeah, I think as for the other columns is going to give us the same is going to give us the same thing. We have 50 now. If you now check, you will see that this particular column doesn't, this new count first name doesn't has a name. It is same with let me go with our distinct. If we go to our distinct, you will see that so the column doesn't has a name because this is a new column that we have just created. That is where this particular this as function, okay, this as or command we come in. So if we now want to give it a name, we can then use this. We say as, what can we call it? Let's just say count of first name. Let's just say something like that. Just say count first name. Then we hit enter. As you can see, we have a count first name here. So that is how we use this particular. Okay, so let us go to max. Let us go to max, mean, and average. I've we're going to change because if we want to use let's see, wait. I think the only column that will be useful for this particular for the max it is only going to be the age, okay, for this theory that is remaining, max, mean, and average. So rather, let us go to our staff wages. I think that will be more useful. Okay, let us just see, we have our this is it here. We have our table here. We want to see the maximum, the person or the staff with the highest salary. Let's say max, and then we say salary. We run. The highest salary that the company is paying, it is 650,000. And then if we want to see the minimum salary, min salary. So the minimum salary is 150, is a 150,000. This information, this is very, very important because just imagine that you have millions of information of data and you want to see the max, the mean, the average. With this particular mean, all this is really going to help you. It's very, very helpful, and you'll be using as a data analyst, you'll be using this all the time to query your data. So let's say we execute, and this is equally going to be our average salary, which is 340,900. So this we can give a column a name. We say as average salary, and then we hit enter. We have our average salary here. Okay, so thank you very much. This is the end of this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.